mga chaps! So for today's video, pupunta kami ng Chicago. So mag-Chicago kami at naskaso na namin ang aming mga dadalhin. So ayan, may snack kami. Si Nami, may iwan muna si Nami for today's video. So tatambakan na lang namin siya ng Lafang de Tembang. So ayun na nga. Halika na. Mag-asikaso tayo ng mga babaunin natin. Siyempre hindi mawawala ang ating Madam Kilay Coffee. Mga chaps, ito na lang yung kape ko. So, dadalhin ko na lang yan lahat. O, ayan o. Lagay natin sa Ziploc. Nagtimpla muna ako bago tayo umalis. So, ito yung pagkain ni Morty. Nagdadala rin tayo ng mga ganyan. Dali natin itong kanyang favorite na fish. At ito na nga, bumiyahe na nga kami. 5 hours yung layo nito sa bahay namin, Day. Pero sulit na sulit naman. Kasi syempre, dito tayo mag-i-stay sa Trump Tower Hotel. Naka-excite kasi nga, mga chaps, may discount ako dito. Meron para akong promo voucher, ganon. Syempre, for the experience, alam niyo naman, lola nyo, ambisyosang palaka, mapagpanggap, ganon. Para may sumakabit bahay. Wow! Yeah! Yes, yes. Nap time. What? Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, we can.
Well, we're gonna eat, right?
We're gonna eat first.
We should eat dinner first.
Yeah.
Maybe we're gonna go
And then we're gonna go back. You're not? Why not? Let's just go hang out a little bit, explore. It's too early. What? You're just gonna stay here? I know, but we're gonna go outside and explore for a little bit.
You're gonna burn your calories walking outside.
Walking. We're gonna walk.
I hold him up.
No. Go. Let's take a look at their toilet. What does their toilet look like? Is that a toilet?
Morty, look.
Wait, hold on, Baba. Oh my God, look at this. Look what they have.
Morty's looking. Come on, you're missing his moment.
Hi.
Do you want to jump?
Go to the rooftop.
Wow, what is that? Cars.
Look, Morty.
Look at those little boats. Babe, we can do that.
Oh yeah, we need to look at the toilet.
The toilet is good.
Okay, iniwan natin si Morty dito. Ha? I know, right? Nakainit mo ko tubig. Si Morty tuwan-tuwa. What is that? Chocolate too?
No, laruan.
Gago cookies. Ayan o.
Sorry kasi. Expect ko yung mababenta ko sa Pilipinas.
Cookies yun, guys. Anak, ano niya?
They have Trump.
Oh, wow, babe, they have Trump wine. Babe, look at this. Trump wine.
Oh, let me take a picture.
Oh my gosh. Babe, nakaligatan ka video.
I gotta crack this shit open.
Baby, ka video kay Morgy mo.
Let's take a picture first.
Okay.
Wow. Ano lang dito, kinagandaan lang. Kasi kinagandaan ng Trump.
Trump. Oh, may pangalan. Brand kasi. Oh. Parang may nakikita nga ako na souvenir. At huwag mo sisinuhin. Gusto kong iuwi, Day. Trump.
Yung pag inuwi mo. I hold him up.
Trump na ba? Ay, may tari, may remote. Para saan? May TV.
Ito na.
Saan? Gaga, saan ang TV?
Ano ka ba? Kami ni
Sige.
Trump nagplano na ito.
Ayaw nga. Ala. Ayaw nga, may TV nga.
Wow.
Babe!
Kami nga ng tropa ko
Babe,
si
there's a
Trump.
TV on the fucking... What the heck? With us. Hey.
When the new group took over.
Pwede uwi?
Tingnan natin tong closet. Oh, wow. Ala. Trump na chinelas. At pwedeng iuwi. Trump na payong. Bigyan ng chururu. So, mga chaps, so kakain muna kami sa labas. Mga gutom na. Ayan, labas muna kami. Tara, mag-explore tayo dito ng nightlife. Dito sa Chicago. Ang haggard-haggard ko, Day. Pero kere-bum-bum lang yan. Ano ba? Bakit ba? Sidecar.
Balik ka, picture mo.
Grabe, ang ganda-ganda ng view sa gabi dito, mga chaps. Ang problema lang talaga dito sa city, traffic. Tsaka ang ingay ng mga sasakyan. Dahil nga city to, mas malapit ka sa mga nightlife, malalaking mall, bonggang restaurant, marami kang choices talaga dito. Oh my God, look. Carbs to, te, guys. Punta na ako Good night. Hey, rock, paper, scissors. Who's gonna pay?
Yeah, who's gonna pay?
Who's gonna pay? Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, 231. Yeah, babe, mortgage. Like that. So, ito na nga mga chaps. Tara na't magkape. Ang view namin dito sa labas. Oh, pakak. Ganyan dapat pagising mo sa umaga. Ganyan yung view. Hindi yung pagising mo sa umaga eh, mga nagsisismisa, may sabong agad dyan sa labas, nagkakarakrus. Gimo. Gimo, good morning. And then you're gonna kiss your wife. You're gonna kiss your wife, okay? Okay, yeah, it's okay. You kiss your wife. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's so sweet, Michael.
Ayaw, di ma.
Ano mo wearing from, ano to? Ano ka tawag ito dahil? Robe. From Hotel Robe, taray. Naman ni Michael. Ay, mga chow, sa aking vlog, naka-live kasi ako sa TikTok ko. Kaway-kaway kayo dyan. Labas yung mga pangalan ninyo. Para makita sa TikTok, ayun o. Maka-live tayo sa TikTok ngayon. Ilalagay natin kayo dito sa vlog natin. Tandaan, Catherine, Max, hi Zach. Ayan o, kita si Zach, hello. Mayel, Chris, hi vlog. Oh, nice. May pa-discount si Papa mo Trump. Si Daddy Trump. Kaya nandito tayo. Mura lang natin siyang nakuha. Can you say hi? Hi! Wow, what is that? That's a nice view. You wanna sit down? You wanna sit down? Kiss mama. Say hi. Wow, there's a car! Car! Hi, car! Hi! Hi, everyone. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Can you say hi? Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. What do you think of United States? So, ngayong araw na ito mga chaps ay kasama namin ng aking biyanan. Yung biyanan ko, malapit lang siya dito. 1 hour away lang yung bahay niya. Kaya pinuntahan niya kami dito sa aming hotel at mag-i-stay siya sa amin hanggang kinabukasan. At syempre, chance na to na mag-meet sila ni Gimo for the first time. So, kasama namin ang biyanan ko gumala for today hanggang kinabukasan na pagstay niya dito sa aming hotel. Nakakatuwa sa part na to mga chaps kasi naramdam ko na sobrang gaan ng loob ng biyanan ko sa anak ko. Kasi hindi lahat ng biyanan ganyan ha. Kasi may mga biyanan, mga chaps, na mamatahin ka talaga pag may anak ka sa una. May mga atitsyon na talagang biyanan nakakagigil talaga mga chaps. Dito tayo sa Gordon Ramsay Burger. So mga chaps, dahil nandito tayo sa Gordon Ramsay's Burger, mag-cheat day tayo ngayon. Total naman, maglalakad tayo maghapon. Iba-burn din naman natin yung fats and carbs and protein. Nakakain natin today, mag-burger tayo. Pero siguro mga half lang makakain ko dito. Ang laki ng calories nito mga chaps. Alam niyo ba, ang isang burger na ganito nasa sometimes 2,000 calories na to. Bakla kailangan ko lang makonsum sa isang araw. 1,200 lang dahil. Siyempre, may Madam Kili Coffee naman tayo. So, alalay natin yun. So, ang gagawin natin, kalahati lang naman kayo. Para lang matikman natin for experience ng Gordon Ramsay Burger. Again, baba. Pa.
High five.
So pretty. You look pretty. Thank you. And Gimo is here. Yeah. And Morty is grumpy. Yeah. And he's Hi. Hi. Wow. Look at that. Fried pickles.
It's got a big crunch to it too.
Oh. Sarap. Wow, look at that. Look, that's a Caesar salad. Oh yeah. That. What is this, Baba?
Hell's Kitchen Burger and Chicago Dog.
Chicago dog
What are you gonna eat as a salad?
and house chicken burger.
Try one of these, babe.
Oh my God! Ang sarap! So okay, habang nag-edit ako ng video na to, dito ko lang napansin na si ate mo girl, tingin sa akin mula pa hanggang
May problema ba tayo sa pagka-barbie ko, te? Kaya pa ba
Feeling ko
today?
hinuhusgahan niya sa isip niya yung bag ko, yung suot ko, yung sapatos ko, at kung ano mang meron ako sa... Ewan ko ba dito? Gutom na ba, te? Wow! Ang sarap! Ito yung Hell's Kitchen, mga chat. Hell's Kitchen Burger. Right. Harap din. Dapat na din ako nag-order. I shouldn't order. I'm just gonna test all of your burger.
Barbecue burger.
Oh, there's a bacon. Hindi ako kumakain ng bacon, mga chaps, pero we're just gonna eat the walang bacon part. Yeah. Masarap din. Ito yung kanilang Hell's Chicken. Hell's Chicken. Oh, very good. Very good. Good. Para na siya, it seems like, kind of like a buffalo chicken. It's not like. Hindi ko pa nagagalaw yung burger ko. Busog na ako sa pagkain. Okay, this one is
Chicago hot dog.
Chicago hot dog. I have all the chili. Yep. Bakit? Ito, pickles, fried pickles. You must try here. If you go to Chicago, downtown, try Gordon Ramsay's burger. So, mga chaps, magiging transparent tayo dito magkano yung bill namin dito sa Gordon Ramsay burger. So, what do you think? How much is our bill? What do you think? Guess the bill.
110.
250? 135. 135. Guess the bill. The correct answer is last tax is 199.
199?
Yeah.
What's closer?
Huh? Who's closest? I think mom. I think mom is 130. You're 250. Actually you.
Actually, yeah, that's right.
Sige mo magbabayad. What is your rate at Gordon Ramsay Burger out of 10?
It's
1 out of 10.
10 out of 10 because the flavors were phenomenal.
Yeah.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Yeah. 9 out of 10.
Why? What is the one?
Miss Gordon Ramsay's not here.
10-10. After namin kumain mga chaps, pinunta namin si Morty dito sa Color Factory. Mga chaps, kung kayo pupunta ng Chicago, kung kayo nasa Amerika. Tapos kasama niyo yung mga tiyanak nyo, yung mga bubwit ninyo, bakla mag-e-enjoy sila dito dahil maraming colorful, maraming activities na pwedeng gawin ng mga bata dito sa Color Factory. At saka sulit na sulit yung entrance dito, te. Pati kayo mga adults, mag-e-enjoy kayo. Tapos yung mga eksena-eksena sila dito, yung parang free popcorn, free cookies, may free ice cream pang paganon-ganon. Basta dapat pinre entrance yun na lang po, no? Tapos free dinner, free breakfast, free lunch, ganon. Chares lang. Tapos meron mga picture-picture dito mga chaps na i-scan mo para remembrance. I think kasama yun sa babayaran kasi parang may i-scan kayong code. Tapos magpipicture-picture kayo dito. Ang kinagandahan pa mga chaps, sobrang lakas ng aircon nila dito. Hindi nanggigitata ang mga anak ninyo pag maglalaro. Pati na rin kayo. Sobrang sulit. So, eto na nga, ang kinagandahan dito mga chaps, yung sky deck na sikat na tuktok na pinaka-tower dito sa Chicago na pwede mong puntahan at mag-picture-picture taking. Same building lang sila ng Color Factory dahil. Grabe, dyan yung mahaba yung pila. Kasi lahat gustong umakyat sa tuktok ng tralala. Nakakalula, pagkakit namin dyan, Diyos ko Lord. Pero ang ganda ng view. Hey, go ahead there. Go there, Gimo, go there. Oh my goodness.
I saw a helicopter flying by. Wow.
Paano kita ng picture? Kakalula. Oh my God, mga chak. Imo! So after nga no, umuwi na kami, bumalik kami dito sa hotel namin mga chaps kasi nagpa-freshen up muna kami. Then mamaya lalarga na naman, kakain kami sa Indian restaurant, magdi-dinner. So pa-freshen up muna dito at saka bumili kami ng Dubai chocolate ba yun? Basta susubukan natin. Dubai chocolate, yun namin kanina. Pero Turkish daw ang gumawa nito. Made in Turkey. Pero Dubai chocolate. So kinapi lang nila siguro to. So mga chaps, bumalik muna kami dito sa hotel. And Mom, we need to try this Dubai chocolate. This is the super trend before. Nahuli na tayo sa trend. They said this is pistachio. Pistachio thing. Let's try.
That's right up your alley.
Huh?
Because you love pistachios.
Oh, it's not ano.
It's pistachio.
I don't know. I mean, what I'm saying is it's melting. We need to eat it.
Want to put it in the refrigerator real quick?
Oh, we're gonna eat it now.
Okay.
Because
She has Travis Scott on her shirt.
I don't eat sweets. Mga chaps, this is sweet, I'm telling you. But just a little bit. Okay? I don't like sweets kasi ayoko. I don't want sweet because of the, you know, we need to be healthy. But I don't know, Mom, if she gonna eat it. Because it's sweet.
I'll just taste a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, Michael, come here. The pistachio is in the middle. We need to
Are you
see
sure
it.
it's all the same? I think it's all the same.
No, hold on. This is the pistachio is in the... It's not...
What if it's gross?
No.
Okay, the pistachio is in the middle, you know. Okay? Okay, Mom, you and Michael can share or just a little bit of this one. Okay, let's do it.
Are we doing it at the same time?
Alright, let's try this. 1, 2. Cheers, Mom. 1, just a little bit. 2, 3.
It's gross.
No, it's not. That's so good. That's good.
Very rich. Very good.
Yeah, masarap. This is not the original, but it's... They said... It's kind of like...
The original has like grass in it, right?
No,
that's
it's...
not the grass.
It has like grass in it.
No, it's not.
keep saying that?
Because I've seen
Okay,
it.
you
It's
go.
got, like,
No,
Come on,
it's
let's go.
fine.
I'm not
I
gonna finish
already
it.
tried this one.
No, I'm not gonna finish it.
But that one already got your own.
Come here, come on.
Natry ko na to, guys.
You want to get one?
Wow. That's good.
Very good.
Wow. That's good.
It's good.
Very tasty. Very.
Why is it so
Why?
soft?
Why? Because it melts. We walk outside.
It's good. It's very good.
That's good.
I think the chocolate is very.
Just admit it, God. Admit it. Admit it.
Then hit it
Hey,
on
I got something to say. It tastes better than Hershey's. Oh,
It tastes better than Hershey. Mom said, is Hershey's your favorite chocolate before? Wow.
Hershey's is American standard.
It's really, really good. Ang sarap niya. Mga chaps! So, gabi na. Lalabas na muna ulit kami dahil magdi-dinner kami. And maglilibot-libot na lang ulit sa labas. Dito pa rin kami sa Chicago. At dito pa rin kami sa hotel ni Trump. Ayun na. Diba? Okay. Come on, let's go. So go, everyone. Let's go.
Maybe you should go and get your.
A pastor. Be a pastor.
Wouldn't you be so proud?
Yeah, I am.
You could be a priest. You just can't ever get married.
That's why he can be a pastor.
Pastor.
No, you
Pastor can be married.
priest is better.
No.
You just have to break up for your girlfriend.
Like, yeah, let's go.
You look so cute.
Thank you. Mga chaps, paglabas namin, it's raining, man. Alleluia. But, thank God, Trump has a free umbrella. Tingnan mo naman ang hotel, Trump Hotel. Uuwi natin yan lahat ha, makinig. Uuwi natin na. We're gonna take it home. Just kidding. Okay. Meron sila pa free umbrella. Kung ilan kayo, ganun din ang umbrella ang ibibigay sa inyo. Di ba napaka-bongga? Apat na umbrella, plus si Morty. Let's go! We can sit here.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Isn't it?
I was thinking, I got this thinking in my mouth and then it just crumbled.
Yeah.
It's really good.
This one's like really authentic.
Ilaw na.
What did he say? Good. There you go, go for it.
It's hot. That is so hot.
The thing about Indian
Is it
food
good?
is it's really healthy.
Is it good? Yeah. The herbs and spices, it's really healthy.
Hey, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, dilaw. Cheese?
I don't know. It's like a creamy.
Maybe a little bit too. Yeah. Sit there.
This one is the chicken tikka masala. This one is lamb rogan. This one is lamb korma. And this one is your goat curry.
Yay.
Just gotta switch those two around.
It's okay.
Something juicy.
Why it's up to me? Okay.
Actually,
So natin.
technically lambs are goats, but the difference is female goats, right? The lamb is the
Male.
I'll try it just a little bit because I'm
Okay.
skeptical.
Okay.
It's like you're putting sour cream on your chili.
Kinda.
You're not gonna use your hand?
I would never eat one. I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend.
It's good.
No, it's kind of like this right here is kind of like sour cream, mommy. Like it takes the spice out of your food. So if you feel like your food is too spicy, you put that on there.
Yeah.
Very good. Enjoy.
Thank you. How is it? Good.
I'm not going to eat all this.
Just take as much as you need.
You guys are going to be hungry here.
No, we're
Mom,
not.
it's okay.
We have naan bread too. So
I know, but I don't eat all this. Right?
Okay, this is a dessert.
Perfect.
somebody had a happy ending.
We eat it separate, right?
Yeah, we eat it separate. Later.
First piece is one.
Okay. Michael, come on.
What is that?
I don't know. Go to open us with
Ordered
the.
it.
I don't know. That's why. You're the one who said that we try other countries
Yeah.
thing.
That looks
Right.
gross.
Try it.
Here we go. Ready?
Mom. What, Mom? Say something. Ano nga? Stop. Michael. Don't be like that. Come on. Yabang. Yabang ah. Yabang.
Maybe this texture.
That's what I just said, yeah.
The texture. Dali. Tignan mo yung tsura ni Mikey. Lala. Okay, try it.
It almost smells like toothpaste.
No, Michael, we're gonna try it. Come on.
It's like a sponge.
Come on, just eat it. What?
Hell no.
What is it?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Right.
What is this?
Try a little bit. Texture, right? Look at his face.
It's kind of like
Sponge. Sponge.
bread that
Oh, you dip it so
you know
long.
the bread that no, it's not a bread. It's like Twinkies
Oh,
that they
Twinkies.
put
Oh,
in the
milk.
that soak in the milk.
Yeah.
Tastes like a soggy Twinkie.
No.
Yeah. Like that.
Alright, let's try this. Okay, this one.
Okay. That's better.
That's better. Okay, my.
I'm still not a big fan of it.
I don't like it. What? No. Ilang natin?
Yeah, right
The
there.
sauce is okay.
Yeah. The taste is okay. The texture.
It's different. It's kind of like a bread that is soaked in the milk or in the syrup.
Or it's like cinnamon.
It's not for me, but it's okay.
It's good,
Yeah, it's
but
good, but it's not.
it's sometimes.
Okay. Yeah, but it's not for me.
Yeah, maybe. How's the food?
So our bill for today is 305.
What?
305.
Oh, it's good. Because the food is good.
Yeah, and they add gratuity. Manifest ko, tandaan nyo 2025, mga chaps, 2025, August 2025, kakaganyan din ako. Kakaganyan ako dahil. Ano nga tatak niyan? Basta magkaaganyan ako. Oh my God. So mga chaps, nakabalik na kami dito sa aming hotel. At sinuot ko ulit yung ating syempre, bakla. Hindi pa naman ito madumi-day, no? Yung best ko pala ito nasusuot for today's video. So, isa lang dala ko talagang pantulog. Kasi nga 2 nights lang naman kami dito, day, no? Ito na nga ni. Ito yan na nga. Magkakape muna ako kasi nga pagodan, lola mo, pagodan 20 tayo ngayon. At medyo marami-rami tayo nakain for today. But it's okay kasi naglakad naman tayo. Na-burn naman natin yung mga kinain natin. Pero syempre, kailangan pa rin ng tulong ng ating Madam Kilay Coffee para yung bowel movement ng mga kinain natin today ay mailabas talaga ng bogang bilya. Ganyan. Nutella cafe. Diabetes, paglabas nyo diabetes. Eto na nga, at last day na namin dito sa Chicago, mga chaps. Dumaan muna kami dito sa park. Ayaw ko anong tawag itong park na to. Basta maaga kami nagising para na magpunta rito sa park noon. Kasi mamaya, mag-check out na kami, day. Tapos bago kami mag-check out, pumasyal muna kami dito para magbe-picture taking, ganon. Tapos para na rin ma-experience ni Gimo yung malaking binsikat kasi yan dito sa Chicago, te. Oh, malapit to. At eto na nga, magbe-breakfast kami mga chaps. Bumalik kami ng hotel kasi itong breakfast restaurant na kakainan namin, nasa taas lang to ng Trump Tower sa pinakatuktok. Ito yung Terrace 16 Chururut na Kemerut. Basta dito kami nag-almusal, day. So, honest review dito sa Terrace 16 ng Trump Tower Hotel Restaurant Chururut. Medyo hindi maganda yung naging experience namin First, that time. Yung serving sa amin is sobrang bagal. Ito yung complimentary drink. 20 minutes bago kami nabigyan ng drink. Tapos yung kape ko na tubig na hiningi, umabot pa ng ilang minuto. Day. Tapos ang lamig na dumating sa akin. Tapos yung pagkain namin, kung nakikita nyo, kinakapakapa ko yung pagkain ko dahil may avocado toast it's not a toast. It's a soft. Ang lambot niya talaga. Hindi pa mainit yung mga pagkain. The food is not warm. The food is not hot. It's cold. Siguro nakatenga, maybe the food is sitting there for long time na. Alam mo yun, parang siguro nandun yung pagkain. Kanina pa nag-aantay yung pagkain doon na kunin ng server. Tapos ngayon lang nila sinerve, pati yung pagkain ni Michael na yan, ang lamig na yan, day. Pati yung kanyang bacon. Tostado masyado yung bacon. Talagang crunchy na siya. As in. To be honest, the bread is not so.
Is first watch better?
Honest review.
Avocado toast, they give you that first watch. It's like huge.
Yeah. Hindi siya toasted. Sabi avocado toast. So, dapat yung bread toasted, di ba? Hindi siya toasted. Bus nga.
Something I have to do really important tomorrow. This whole week I'm gonna be busy because Wednesday I have to take my PT test. So.
Salmon good?
Yummy. Yummy. Mamaya, later, after that. So, after ko kumain mga chaps, lumabas muna ako dito sa veranda ng restaurant. Ay, ang ganda ng view. Para maibsan man lang yung inis ko. Kasi nga, lamig na ng kinain ko din. Tapos ang pag-refill ng tubig ko, ang tagal ding i-refill yung tubig, day. So, eto na nga, pumunta ako dito sa labas, nagmuni-muni. Tapos, eto na, pagpasok ko sa loob, nagreklamo na yung biran ko, chuchu-chuchu, ganyan-ganyan. Nag-usap na kami. Kasi ako mga chaps, talaga nag-i-speak up ako, day. Kung talaga may pagkakamali ang server or yung restaurant or yung kung sino man nagluto ng pagkain, kung ano mang mali doon, ganon. Kasi wala namang masama kung mag-speak up ka, wala namang masama kung magsabi ka ng totoong honest review mo right away. Kasi gano'n ako mga chaps, right away, kinakausap ko kagad yung supervisor, yung manager, kung sino pwede kong kausapin, and sinasabi ko kagad sa kanila yung review ko. Yung honest na feedback ko sa restaurant nila. Gano'n ako, day. Especially, pagka mamahaling restaurant, syempre, day, mamahaling restaurant ka. Ito nga, naturingan Trump Tower restaurant, Syempre, mag-i-expect ka ng maganda yung service nila. Masarap yung pagkain, maganda yung, ano mo yun? Kasi mamahaling restaurant, ano yung expect mo? Diba? Kaya nagulat kami, dahil, hello, tangina, ang mahal ng food, no? Tapos sa Trump Tower Hotel tayo, tapos ganito yung service nyo, tapos ang lamig ng pagkain. Talaga mag-i-speak at ka talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Ganon! Yeah.
Anticipate the needs of your table.
Pero mga chaps, hindi ako Karen, ha? Kung alam mo namang tama ka, magsalita ka, huwag ka mag-hysterical. Hindi naman ako nag-hysterical, mga chaps. Kinakausap ko sa supervisor and manager ng maayos. Ganon. Bakla, ayoko rin mapahiya, no?
Hugs. I love you, honey.
I love you. Thank you so much.
Such a good girl.
Yeah, thank you for, coming.
That was so fun. I'm so glad that we got a chance to connect. And my son, I love so much.
I'm gonna go downstairs with you. While I get mom out of here, you guys get everything ready.
Yes.
So
Yes. Juwela na kami. Let's go for more than 5 hours drive na naman.